In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and head to your dashboard. Once you're in, click the plus new button and, under the customer section, choose Sales Receipt. This opens a new sales receipt form where you'll enter the details of the transaction. First, select the customer from the Customer drop-down menu. If the customer is already in your system, just choose their name. Then review the customer contact information, especially the email address, and update it if needed. This is helpful if you plan to send the receipt later. Next, check the sales receipt date. QuickBooks may fill in today's date automatically, but you can change it if the sale happened on a different day. After that, enter a reference number if you use one for tracking payments, orders, or internal records. This step is optional, but it can make reporting and organization much easier. Now choose the payment method used for the sale, such as cash, check, or card. Then use the Deposit to field to select the account where the payment should be deposited. This part is important because it affects how the money is recorded in your books. After that, review the billing information and location of sale details to make sure everything matches the transaction. Then move down to the product or service section and enter the items being sold. For each item, fill in the quantity, rate, amount, and any tax information that applies. Take a moment here to double-check the numbers so your totals are accurate. If you need to apply a discount, add it now, and review the sales tax settings if they apply to the transaction. QuickBooks often calculates tax automatically, but it's always a good idea to confirm that everything looks right. You can also enter a customer message if you want something to appear on the sales receipt, such as a simple thank you note or a short explanation related to the sale. If you have any supporting documents, you can attach them to the transaction as well. This is optional, but it can be useful for record keeping. Before saving, review the subtotal, taxes, amount received, and total amount. This final check helps catch mistakes before the receipt is recorded. Once everything looks correct, click Record, or choose Record and Close if you're finished and want to exit the form. And that's how to record a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.